Hello everyone, this is Brittany from the Imaginary Library. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Libby app to check out an ebook and send it to your e-reader. So first you're going to open up the Libby app, which I have here. Then you're going to select a title by searching for it up here in this green search bar. Sometimes when you're using general search though, you will encounter titles that are currently checked out by other people, and you'll have to place a hold on them instead. For our purposes today, I need to make sure that I find a book that I can read right away. So I'm going to click over here to the building icon on the bottom of the tabs. Now I have preset these filters already to show me only books that are available right now. But if you wanted to change those filters, you would click on this green hamburger menu, and then you can select whichever filters by subject, language, and then there's down here, there's an option to select which kind of e-reader you would like. I have found that this doesn't really affect the Kindle specifically, but if you have another kind of e-reader, you might want to pay attention to that more. In any event, I'm happy with the pins that I've already pinned to my filters. So yeah, I think that the Available Now feature is one of the best features of Libby. The ability to just browse what is currently available. That's a really good way to discover new authors, discover new titles, etc. So I'm just looking for something now I might want. Oh, okay. I'm going to try this ebook here. So let's check it out. All I have to do is click borrow and then click the big pink borrow button again. And now it's going to tell me, great, you've borrowed it until December 10th. And this is just going to let me read the ebook on my phone though. We want to send it to an e-reader device and reduce that eye strain on ourselves. So to do that, it's important that you click this little read with button right here. And then it's going to give us some options. So me, I'm a simple girl, I can see that I only have the one Kindle, but you could add however many devices you want. You are going to click on your preferred reading device. And then in the case of the Kindle, it's going to pull up your Amazon account immediately. And you'll need to confirm the loan by clicking the big yellow Get Library Book. And that's it. From here, you just hop on your Kindle. The title should be right on your home library screen, ready to read. I hope this has been an educational and enlightening tutorial for you. If you have any questions, of course, just drop them in the comments below.